We are in Okhla Bird Sanctuary. We are on the lake bed, which you can see is almost dry, completely dry. The irrigation department is repairing the barrage gates, because of which they've released almost all the water. And this is the time for the migratory birds to start coming in. And with a dry lake, this time we just might not get the number of birds that we usually do. This place should have at least 4 to 5 feet of water for the birds to come and start feeding here, but like you can see, there's almost no water as far as you can see, and there are no birds. Even the resident birds are not here. All I can see is few kites, few cattle egrets, that's it. So the authorities need to do something drastically fast and ensure that there's water over here, because otherwise we will not have any birds this season. Maybe the repair work was important, but they should have thought about it, that if they let out all the water from the lake, then the birds will definitely not come in here. This is a very sad situation, but someone needs to do something about it. Thank you.